What's up, everybody? If this is your first time to the channel, you might not be aware that we are very, very fond of the DeWALT ToughSystem modular storage solution. We've done multiple reviews on it. You could probably check one out right here because we're going to put a link for you. We've used that storage solution for a lot of different product line of tools. I have to admit, though, that I have not actually used it to store DeWALT 20V max tools previously. So today, I'm very excited to get a new edition unboxed. Let's get started.
Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow. Yeah, you know what it is. Black and yellow.
So this kit has actually been out for a while, I believe. And this was these 20V max drill driver and impact driver kits inside ToughSystem organizers or boxes was a Home Depot exclusive. And I knew I saw it at a location. I couldn't remember where it was recently, I'm speaking of. And I tried to retrace my steps and go to all of the depots that I've been to recently, and I wasn't finding them. I was striking out. It was good enough that we have a friend and viewer was on one of our live streams. It was Sunday Fun Day. Boop, we'll link it there. And he knew that we were in the market. I wanted to pick this unit up. He knew that I wanted to add it to my ToughSystem ensemble. And he let us know on the live stream, yo Vince, they have that 20V max in the ToughSystem organizer over at the 24th and Oregon Home Depot location. I think they have a few there. Sure enough, I headed on over to the store. They had six of them up in the storage rack. They were not on display. They were not in a place where I could find them. I had to call over a manager. I did see these online. They were in these this compact drill and driver set was on HomeDepot.com listed at $199. Okay, but they were not available in stores. They had to be shipped to the store or your home. $199, they had them online. This is where it gets very interesting. So they had 6 of these, kind of hidden away. I asked the manager, can he bring one down for me to take a look at? And, you know, I don't know if you're noticing this, it's a little dusty, okay? You know, it's I don't want to say that the box is banged up, but you can see it's kind of ripped here, all right? It does have its wire tie here, so it's new in box. I mean, it's not like it's a return or you know, anything used. But originally they were saying that this was a $307 value online, and it's DCK TS277C2. This kit was retailing, like I said, online, $199. I asked the manager, yo, what's the price on this? And he was like, $99.
Say what?
I went, what? Come again? I thought I missed him say $199. I said, whoa, come again? Did you say 99? He goes, yeah, it's $99. He said, how many do you want? I said, well, I'll take one of them. They had 6 of them. I kind of thought about it though. Like, even if I did grab 6 of them, that would still be a steal. Like, put these aside. I mean, the batteries alone. I did take the one. So if you're in the market for this kit and you're in the South Philadelphia area, make sure you go on over to 24th and Oregon. I think I might know somebody. I might know 2 people that want these kits. Went to the cashier with tax out the door, $108. So I gotta tell you, I'm excited to get it open, see what exactly is going on. I will say this, these are the first 20V max tools that I have ever purchased. I've used them. I like the way they feel. I've not owned any. You know, I love the idea that my tools will be in my same, like this is gonna be organized in here, number one, and it's gonna fit right with my existing toolboxes and dolly system. I'm fired up about it. I love organization. I love it. Love organization. Oh no. I'm seeing a problem already though. Look at this. We might have some damage. Look, see how it's popped out of the hole?
Yeah, it's all bent.
Ooh! It's odd. Problem fixed. Problem solved, Nicholas. I gotta tell you, I'll take that small problem though for $99. So let's look at the rest of the case. Everything looks fine. Everything looks dandy. Should we open her up?
Do it.
Ta-da!
Ooh.
Wow.
Smell.
It smells like Israel. Because it doesn't smell like Chinesium. So it's got a nice little organizer here, I suppose. I expected it. I guess that fits there. Is this supposed to be? Oh, might have to look at the directions. Take a look at the impact. Yo, after all this time, still has some charge. It would be nice if it came with a little belt clip. I'll tell you that much. But for $99, not bad. Not bad. The other thing that's a little bit of a bummer is that there's no indicator light on the batteries. Or on the drill, for that matter. So you'll only know that your battery's dead when your battery goes dead. As far as the case goes, it's the usual. This will be nice to hold drives and sleeves and bits. I guess you could do the same thing in that compartment. The gasket seems pretty nice. Matter of fact, it seems like it sits out a little bit further, like it would almost be more watertight than some of our other tough boxes. If you wanted to, if you were going to get rid of your 20 volt max tools, or you could just pop this out and then you have an empty ToughSystem organizer box. So you don't need to keep the organizer in there. But it will pop right back in there. These are brushless. Now, when we demo and unbox my favorite drill bits and drives from DeWALT, I won't have to use a red colored drill anymore. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Leave your comments below. Do you have these combo kits in ToughSystem organizer boxes? Do you love them? Do you hate them? What do you think of them? We want to know. Leave it in the comments section. But as always, thanks a lot and have a great day. Yo, I'm excited to use this thing, bro. I gotta tell you. Boom! It's gonna be nice. Did you like that video? Wondering what to watch next? Well, why don't you click over here and watch this video? Or click over here and watch this video. If you really like our content, we hope you consider getting subscribed by clicking right here. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, guys.